Namaste and welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to understand the technique of Nadi Shuddhi pranayama, also called alternate nostril breathing. It is better to avoid any kind of pranayama if you are going through acute respiratory infection. Wait until you get better. So whenever you're ready, let's prepare ourselves. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position on your mat. And if you need support, place a cushion beneath your hips to make sure that your spine is straight. Take a moment to settle in. You may also sit on a chair if you like, making sure your back is straight. Gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body, your spine, head, and neck in one straight line. Chin slightly tucked in. And let a soft smile come to your face. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Connect with your breath. Just be here for some time. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and prepare yourselves for the alternate nostril breathing. Left hand in chin mudra. The tips of index finger and the thumb gently touching each other. Place your left hand on your knee, palms facing up. Right hand in Nasika Mudra, index finger and middle finger folded inwards on the base of the palm. Place the right thumb on the right nostril, closing very lightly on the soft part of the nose. Exhale completely from the left. Let's begin. Inhale deeply from the left. Close. Exhale completely from the right. Inhale deeply from the right. Close. Exhale completely from the left. This is one round. You may close your eyes now to feel the effects of the breath. Let's do 2 more rounds. Inhale deeply from the left. Close. Exhale completely from the right. Inhale from the right. Close. Exhale slowly from the left. Trying to make exhalations longer now. Inhale from the left. Close. Exhale slowly from the right, making it longer and complete. Inhale deeply from the right. Close. Exhale slowly from the left. Longer, complete exhale. You may bring your hands down. Observe the changes in your breath and observe the effect of this practice on your system. Connect deeper to your heart and stay here for some more time. Alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shuddhi, is a relaxing pranayama, balancing the nervous system. This technique relaxes and balances at the same time, bringing clarity and focus. The pranayama can be done anytime. You may practice this for 6 to 12 rounds to feel the immediate effects on the breath and the mind. Now join your hands in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Rub your palms together. Place the base of your palms on your eyes. And with a beautiful smile, move your hands away from your face, blinking your eyes open, looking at the hands. Thank you for joining in this session.